Hi, it's Brian from Ceramic Pro, Northwest New Jersey. We service our clients' cars and protect them with paint protection film, ceramic coatings, and window tint. We've been around since 2020, and our clients love us because we perform top-tier services. You can find us online at autocorrectdetailing.com, Instagram, Facebook, and then you can also give us a call, 973-668-8892.
So spending the money on the car was a tough decision for me. I got to a point in my life where I wanted to get something nice. And when I started doing the research, then the next thought was, how am I going to protect this thing? Because I'm a bit of a freak with wanting to keep things nice for long periods of time. Came across Ceramic Pros and wanted to give them a shot. So I went with the Ultimate Armor package, which included PPF on the front end and this full ceramic coating. I don't want to say I'm lazy, but I'm efficient with my time. Having the ceramic coating and the PPF, washing it, cleaning it, very minimal. I don't have to spend an entire Saturday washing and waxing. I can get out there in about 20 minutes now. The initial thought was, hey, this is expensive. You start doing the math on it and I'm like, well, this is going to be a little expensive. But then when you start looking at the time I'm saving, ability to not worry about the chips and the dings and going through auto correction and trying to maintain its look. I'm hoping to keep the car for a real long time. And then doing the math on it, I said, it's just worth the extra to keep it looking pristine all the time. Brian's awesome. I came in with a ton of questions. He spent probably more time than he needed to with me. And when we went through, he gave me checkups. Basically, I bought my car, had less than 100 miles on it, dropped it off, and he had it for about 2 days. During the process, he went through and gave me photos, washing it down, doing the clay bar, putting the PPF on it. So he kept me involved the entire step of the way. I didn't have to keep coming in or calling and checking. I would get automated reminders on my phone. When it was done, walk me through everything. We go through a yearly inspection on it just to make sure it's maintaining. So we just did that last month because it's been a full year. It's been awesome. Yeah, I'd recommend it to anybody. Really enjoyed my experience here. Looking forward to working with these guys. I brought my wife's car in recently, get the windows tinted. I've recommended it to a few different people and everybody seems really happy with it.